How much is the maintenance grant?
25,000, my lord. 25,000 maintenance.
They are seeking
10,000.
enhancement.
I am seeking enhancement, my lord.
And she's not working.
She is not working.
Why?
My lord, she, due to medical reasons, she can't work, my lord.
What are the medical reasons?
Stroke.
It's an MBBS doctor.
Yes, my lord. He has his own clinic, my lord.
The amount is 18 lakhs is already paid.
Yes, to the daughter, my lord.
No, it says a permanent alimony.
No, my lord. The siblings have paid, not by the husband. Because husband neglected the wife.
She was working as a teacher in a school. She is an employed. She is capable of earning for education. Siblings of the respondent, on their advice, respondent collectively has paid. Respondent has collected. Whether I pay or my siblings pay, it doesn't matter. 18 lakhs we have paid towards the pyramid. It's not only for the daughter. It is for the expenses of they are sought for the educational purpose and for the maintenance of the petitioner. Boutique she is running. She is the one who is running the boutique.
No, having taken 18 lakhs as permanent alimony,
When-
where is the question of...
My lord, 18 lakhs is not permanent alimony to me.
we'll take it as 50,000 as you said.
Yes, my
Income
lord.
as 50,000.
But agriculture income was not shown in the...
He wants to take you back. You want to go.
Yes, from
Hey, man.
What is stopping you?
No, my lord.
What is this petition?
Challenging the
They
maintenance
are
of
appealing for the wife or husband.
He's for husband, my lord.
I am
I'm
for the
wife, my lord.
First petition is by the husband.
Yes, my lord.
How much is the maintenance grant?
25,000, my lord. 25,000 maintenance.
They are seeking
10,000.
enhancement.
I am seeking enhancement, my lord.
Hmm. What is the salary of the husband?
doctor.
Salary. Doctor, my lord, his profession.
Is practicing as a physician, self-employed.
Income is?
He has declared 50,000, my lord.
They
Income
themselves.
is, according to it, is 50,000.
Yes, my lord.
What is the wife doing?
He's not working, my lord.
He is
She's a graduate, my lord. She's an LLB graduate. She is not working.
Any children?
My lord, one child, major child, my lord. She's pursuing her LLB. Girl child, my lord.
Hmm. And she's not working.
She's not working.
Why?
My lord, she, due to medical reasons, she can't work, my lord.
What are the medical reasons?
Stroke, she has, due to the harassment, my lord, once a stroke has been happened, my lord, due to which her blood pressure varies, my lord. Someone should be there to look after her, my lord.
Please come to the order. MC is not decided so far.
Not at.
It's an MBBS doctor.
Yes, my lord. He has his own clinic, my lord.
No, any specialization. That's what I'm
No,
trying to.
no, my lord.
MBBS.
Physiatrician.
The amount is 18 lakhs is already paid.
Yes, to the daughter, my lord.
No, it says a permanent alimony.
No, my lord. That has been observed, my lord, in page number 26, para 20, my lord, of the impugned order. It has specifically addressed, my lord. It has not paid by him also, my lord. His siblings have paid.
Hmm?
His siblings have paid, not by the husband. Because husband neglected the wife. She sought for other remedies, my lord, where his siblings have paid the money, my lord, not by him. He has not even produced single document to that extent. He even have an agricultural income, my lord, which he didn't disclose in assets and liability. Where
How did you disclose it? How did you?
my lord,
show-
I have produced the documents, RTCs, my lord, at page number 25, in page number 25, at para 19. my lord.
What are the
Agriculture lands which generate commercial
how much?
crops, my lord.
What is the extent of the land?
My lord, around 8 acres, my lord. There are 3 survey numbers, my lord, which is jointly owned by his son, his father name, my lord. He doesn't have anybody to look after, my lord. There are no dependents on him, my lord. All are well settled, my lord. Even that has been observed in the impugned order, page para 23, my lord.
Yes,
Lordship, take your lordship to page number 29.
I've seen the order. Yes.
Now, my lordship, it's the maintenance has been ordered with respect to 25,000 rupees per month and 10,000 to the petitioner during the for the legal litigation expenses. Lordship, I'll take your lordship to page number 24.
Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord, page number 38. Paragraph 14. Now page 36, my lord. The paragraph 10, the petitioner submits that since expenses of the family raised after the birth of the daughter, petitioner joined as a teacher in Marti Vidya Kendra for a meager salary so that she can take care of the child needs. The respondent after the birth of the child became alcoholic and began so on so. The reason why I've read this paragraph is to make clear that she was working as a teacher in a school. She is an employee, she is capable of earning for herself. And the next paragraph is that I'll be relying upon some of the judgments where if any of the spouse is capable of earning and is qualified, where the maintenance need not be paid. Now,
Where do you pay? No. Living with your parents at doing odd jobs. Hmm.
so this is to establish that she was working earlier. Now at page 38, my lord, the petitioner submits after 2013, petitioner ever went to the matrimonial house and is presently living with her parents at Tumkur doing odd jobs. The respondent has abandoned the petitioner and their daughter has not paid any money for their maintenance and education expenses, seeing the plight of the Kumaris also. For education, siblings of the respondent on their advice, respondent collectively has paid. Respondent has collected. Whether I pay or my siblings pay, it doesn't matter. It accounts that as if myself has paid an amount. It is 18 lakhs we have paid towards the perimeter. It's not only for the daughter. It is for the expenses of they are sought for the educational purpose and for the maintenance of the petitioner. This is what the amount we have paid. It is my learned friend says that it has been paid for the educational purpose. It has to be matter of the fact has to be decided at the time of trial. Now, they say true that even they admit that I have paid 18 lakhs to them. Now, I'll take your lordship that where she has admitted still today, she works. At page 53, my lord, our assets and liabilities, 41, my lord.
40?
41. Page 53, lordship, page 53, column 41, my lord.
Yes.
In case of self-employed person, she has mentioned working as a designer in her father's garment, earning rupees 10,000 per month. I have clearly stated in my objection that what is the boutique she is running. She is the one who's running the boutique. But
Has she filed her bank statement?
she has not filed her bank statement. In
Even
fact,
they have
we
not
are,
filed the bank statement, my lord. Even they have not done it. My lord,
now
we have
I'll-
produced the statement before the trial court, my lord, not before my lords.
Yes. I'm asking about before the trial court, not before this court.
The trial court has been done, my lord. We
It's
have
filed.
filed 3 years back.
What is her bank balance?
I need, right now she is 10,000 is what it has been shown, my lord, per month, nothing more.
No, having taken 18 lakhs as permanent alimony,
When,
where is the question of,
my lord, 18 lakhs is not permanent alimony to me. That is what I'm trying to establish. It is not paid by him also, my lord. Siblings have
so why
supported
would
me.
siblings pay to you?
It's to the
They would
daughter
pay, they would
education,
pay
my lord.
for the sake of brother. They don't have any relation with you.
No, my lord. Yes, they don't have any relationship with
Yes.
that has been paid to the daughter, my lord, not to me. He himself have declared the same thing. Hence, I am claiming my maintenance, that's it, my lord, not the daughter maintenance.
No, when was this IA filed? Criminal miscellaneous, when was this IA filed?
Well, I filed along with the petition, my lord. Petition was filed on 3/8/2022.
No, right from 2023, what is happening from 2013? You left the house in 2013.
Yes, my lord.
What is happening from 2013 to 2020?
I was in my parents' house, my lord.
Hmm.
I approached all the relatives along with the siblings. At the time they paid, on that basis, I sustained my whole thing, my lord. No, he read only the para at page number 38, my lord. He read only the para where he said I was doing odd jobs. Subsequent to that, I was met with an stroke, my lord, where I undergone the medical treatment. He didn't read that para. Next para to that,
now,
where which all the treatments that has been done is on the basis of the payment that has been received, my lord.
page 53 clearly speaks about her present job. That's what I read.
10,000, my lord.
No, 10,000
10,000
is.
is what it is.
And moreover, I have made a clear statement in my objections, my lord. In fact, she is one of the law officer in the Star Health Insurance.
That has
Where
been-
I am supposed to secure those documents, I should summon from the court
My lord,
to
that has been-
establish that whether
that
she
has
is
been-
earning. I do have the visiting card, but the visiting card does not mean that that doesn't mean that it's a
It's
prima
come-
facie evidence.
My lord, that has
And
been
now
considered
your
in the
lordship may-
trial court order, my lord.
May make one submission, my lord.
Lord,
In their
please,
petition,
Please see para 17 of the trial impugned order, my lord.
I have read the order.
Their claim has been considered.
Yes,
That they have not produced anything, my lord.
Yes.
I'm not working also, my lord.
yes.
one submission, my lord. In fact, they themselves has furnished a photograph before this honorable court in their petition.
Yes, my lord.
The physician, this clinic has been shown. Now,
His name is shown, my lord. Is it is written in
Not
Kannada?
denying it. That the photographs clearly speaks about the where, what is the clinic, how he holds the clinic. my lord. He is a doctor.
You
where it's-
admitted that it is 50,000 is
Yes,
your
my lord.
income.
Yes, now the question is, my lord, he is the doctor where he is rendering his service in a Obli headquarter, not in Taluk headquarter, not in a district headquarter.
No, no,
It's a-
we'll take it as 50,000 as you said.
Yes, my
Income as
lord.
50,000.
But
Hmm.
agriculture income was not shown in the certain.
Allah, may I put it across?
That is,
Agriculture income, my lord. Let this no
commercial
court does
property.
not take ya. Other way around, my lord. Even I am an agriculturist. I also own a coconut plantation, coconut plantation. Even we own 100 acres of plantation also. We know how difficult for an agri farmer to grow. But they say that, let me complete.
Yes.
See, there's an coconut plantation as well as coconut plantation. It is not that 8 acres of land. That doesn't mean that the entire 8 acre land is been coconut or coconut plantation. In fact, how many coconut plantations are yielding? What is the price on this day? Today's price, what the coconut is.
No, no, all those things will not go. Yes, that is what
My-
so you
Now,
have
the
submission
the
is-
50,000.
no, my lord. My sub-
simultaneously both of you can't argue. Let him argue, I'll
Yes.
hear you.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
Now, the question is, my lord, in fact, I'm furnishing some of the judgments, my lord, even today, if they are ready to come with me, I'm ready to take her to my residence.
Not. I am ready to.
Ready to go, I'm ready to take her.
My lord, I'm ready
Even
to
in the
go.
mediation, I have made a submission that
Not
He
letting
wants
you
to take you back. You want to go.
errors are from.
May, may.
What is stopping you?
No, my lord, may I?
Uh.
He is showing before the court that he wants to
No,
take me
no,
back.
no.
He is not. My lord, I am ready to go 2 times in a mediation center. He didn't appear. He said once he said he is going to come. Subsequently, he didn't.
See, if yes,
Even, my lord,
No, no.
till today, my lord, he took 9 months time. 9 months time to sort all those things, my lord. Even till today, he is not, my lord.
File an affidavit before the court that you
I'll do
will
that,
take
I'll
her.
do that, my lord.
Do
I'll
it.
do it. If they're coming.
Close
I'll
this
do it.
matter on
Sir,
16th. It is submitted by the
Consider the
learned
parties
counsel
will-
for the petitioner that he is ready to take back the wife. Learned counsel for the respondent submits that. The respondent wife submits that she is also ready to join, but on several occasions, he has failed to take her back.
No, it's not failed to take her, but he says that I have not appeared before the mediation.
He has not, though she was ready,
What?
he has not appeared before the mediation center. In this regard, the learned counsel for the petitioner, husband shall file an affidavit before this court.
Please, my lord. A date may be.
Close this matter on 16th.
Oblige me.